Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you.
The open house?
It is the open house.
Oh,
and
awesome.
Thank you for stopping by.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm Ann Parker,
Oh,
I'm the
Ann.
agent for the house.
Oh, hi, Ann. My name is John. How you doing?
Hi, good, thank
I've
you.
always wanted to see this place, and this is phenomenal. I've always wanted to. I drive by all the time, and I heard it had like a finished basement. Is that true? Is
It does. It's beautiful.
You really? Now,
Yes.
this is a new kitchen, I think, as well. Isn't that amazing that the different cabinetry? Is this the basement?
Yes, it is.
Oh, well, you go first. Wow, two-car garage that's heated and everything.
It is. Isn't that
Oh,
nice?
this house has everything. I love it so much. Is it okay that I come back maybe tomorrow with my wife? I don't want to make a decision without her opinion.
Well, it shouldn't be a problem at all. In fact, looks like they're on vacation all week. They're not getting back till the weekend, so.
Oh, they're gone. Oh, so no one's here all week then?
No one's here all week, so
Oh.
you pick a day that's good for you.
Okay.
Anytime before Saturday, we can squeeze it right in.
That'll be perfect. Well, I'll give you a call when I know what her schedule is. Is that all right?
Excellent.
Thank you
That's
so
perfect.
much.
Thank you very much.
I'll see you. Take care.
All
Bye-bye.
right. Bye.
Wow, this whole place is incredible. What a great open house, Ann. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm so glad you were able to come by.
I am too. Are there any special features about this place I should know about? Is there?
Oh, actually, I'm glad you asked. They actually have a whole amenity sheet right out here
Oh,
in the kitchen.
would you
bar.
mind?
Let me just grab it for you real quickly if you
That'd
don't
be
mind.
super. I just want to visualize where I'm going to put my furniture. Is that okay?
Oh,
While you mention
perfect.
some of the items to me?
Yes,
Oh.
and I can go through a couple of them. Actually, you asked about the wood in the kitchen, and it's
Yeah.
Marty Alder with the darker crown molding.
Yeah.
And these are all custom designed storage areas. The stainless steel appliances
Yes.
were just installed about 2 months ago.
Oh, okay. Great, great.
French doors.
Well, I'll just take one of those with me, and I know you got another appointment as well.
Yeah, so
and
there's about 3 pages, 4 pages.
oh,
here
that's
that you
perfect.
can
That's
have,
perfect.
so-
I know you got another appointment, and I have to run on and meet my wife as well. So
Okay.
thank you so
Oh,
much.
well, it's been my pleasure.
You bet. Thank you.
Well,
Take care.
thanks for
You bet.
stopping by.
Anytime. Bye bye.